In this tutorial, we'll explore how the Drooms AI Assistant can streamline the manual document review process within your data room. Start by selecting any document from your data room index. Once it's open, you'll find the AI Assistant icon in the right-hand menu. Click it to open the panel. You can also access it directly from the index by clicking the three-dot button and choosing Chat with AI Assistant. To start a new conversation, click New Chat. Now, type your question in any language, regardless of the document's original language. For this example, let's ask it to extract the key financial metrics from Example for the year 2023. The assistant instantly provides a detailed answer, along with numbered buttons referencing the relevant pages. Click a number to highlight those sections in the document. The highlight will remain visible as you scroll and review. Let's try another example with a different document. In this corporate rental agreement, let's ask, assess the risks in this contract from the tenant's perspective. And just like that, the assistant delivers new insights within seconds. You can start a new chat anytime by clicking the New Chat button. Your chat history for this document is always available whenever you need it. You can also switch between files in your index. The AI assistant will automatically retrieve any previous conversations related to that document. To share an answer, simply copy it to your clipboard by clicking the Copy button and share it directly via Drooms Chat, for example. For more help, contact our support team through our website or just ask the AI chat